Uyabona nizoyisho manje nizoyisho kanye kuphela. Ngicela sililwele izwe lethu. Uyabona ke manje isikhathi sokuthi thina as youth silwele izwe lethu. Asalweli thina silwele abantwana bethu. Because guys nabona lenzakalayo manje. No man, it's too much. It's too much and we're not doing anything about it. And asikhulumi enough. Sibhiza social media, sikhuluma izinto unnecessary, saphorishe mana, sikhuluma ukuthi oh, uhlele empethweni ngena headboard, izinto engeke zibenefit lutho ngazo zele sineyingane. And sithi thina i-youth yethu iwona ama future leaders ethu azolida liphizwe. Uzothi ingane lethu ifika kwi-term yazo zokuleader zobe zifixa ini kona kazini konakele kubi. I'm not promoting any violence, I'm not promoting anything, but guys, let's sit back and reflect. Sibuka izinto ukuthi guys, baze basidayisa abantu abamnyama. And the worst part is that abantu abasidayisayo abantu abanemali, they are multi-millionaires, but they still want more and more and more and more. Yazi mina ngithini, ngizasiphindele back kathi apartheid fine. Vele basasixhaphazwa abelungu, vele kwabelo ma foreigner, kwabantu bangaphandle. Kubhlungu ukubona umuntu omnyama besidayisa, basidayisa emini bar, basidayisa ama foreigner, kunama China ngikhuluma njengamanje own a certain percentage of izwe lethu. Abantu bokuhamba bayigcogcomela lana banamalungelo banikwa balawo malungelo lawo. Okhokho bethu balwa bafa abanye till today amathamba abo akatholakala ukuze lelizwe libe yila likhona namhlanje. Wafika umuntu omnyama wanika opportunity ukuthi nakho ke manje phathani. Banika ama opportunities kanti banikwa isitha waze wayisitha umuntu omnyama. Guys ngilandela yonke le case lena yamkhwanazi yonke into enzakala ngithi mina oh icase kaCwecwe ngibuka yonke le ngithi mina oh my gosh, it's a black person ofihla yonke le evidence bekumuntu omnyama okulahleka ama documents kwingane umuntu omnyama ekwehleke lento lena ngathi mina God have mercy on us. If we don't fight for our country guys, no one will. Till today ama-RDP ayethembiswa abantu emalokishini, but abantu emalokishini kwisixokoxoko abantu bahleli ndawonye ngeke singabe xokoxoko. Family of 11 ku2 bedroom, imizi egcina yakhiwe ngo-1994 kwakwakhelwe ogogo bethu basebadala vele omalume besakhula oma bethu bazala thina. Till today akho ma-RDP houses aphumayo, but kuneyibhedle kulahleka khona o-20 million. Do you remember nge-lockdown u-500 billion? Guys cabanga u-500 billion wokuthi ungenzani. Iy'ngane ziyafunda, iy'ngane ziyayiva sethu NSFAS ubafande, which is we are grateful. Zibuye sihleli nabo phansi. 60% ye-youth engasebenzi eSouth Africa. Wonder why abantwana bedla ama-drugs kangaka. I wonder why i-crime i-high kangaka. I wonder why violence, gender violence based i-high kangaka. Yonke into ene-corruption i-level yakhona i-high because iy'ngane zihleli emalokishini zibhorekile zazi zizowenzani. And guys hambe emalokishini yobona ukuthi kusiphithiphithi kangakanani. Uthi uyadlula ngetekisane zima-container azinalutho. Mina ngeke ngithi give an opportunity. Ngivule some sort of into ye-art thizeni. Ingane kwazi ukucula zicule after school abazidla netball bedla netball kube khona ama game after that ngama weekend masipala ufund ukuthi okay win i-team ewinile izothola ukuthi izo motivate ingane kuvula ama group okwazi bedance bazocula becula. I'm not saying ukuthi abantu bebabaculi, but at least ube ne hobby ukuthi after school ngenza homework yami ngiyama nge-rehearse kunabantu abadala urehearse monitor ingane ukuthi ngabe zenza ngendlela yini. Ingane ngo4 ngabe eminyama sigoduze emakhaya. Ingane zibe busy active nengqondo yazo iqaqeke. I-background netball ama-parasite athela abhema kona amawunga kugcula amahlamvu ingane yakwazi ukujima netball. Ama-ground e-soccer kugcula amahliphihle amapharalala khona manje omasipala bayoklina khona kuzo indawo lezo. Mase nithi ama-2K namadimoni ama-2K ikhathi ama-2K nekhathi zethu ngeke zeyifane. Mina ngikhule kudance, there was Ghetto Squad, there was Gangsters Inc, there was Questionmark.com, wakunama-group khona ama-content kuyophefoma kudanswa. Indebe omlalo into yokugcina esey'ngqondweni zethu. Okay fine, we didn't even have phones leso sikhathi leso sibhala ama-letter, but impilo eyimnandi leso sikhathi leso. Manje ingane ehlala endlini iciphuza amafoni abazali sisabangisho ingane ethu esikoleni othi idlunguliwe idlungolo loma wemoto kwenzeka zonke izinto horrible. And abantu they're getting away with these things because vele abantu abaphethe abakhulu ekumele ngabala nobugebengu izona igebengu zokugcina izona igebengu elethe ubugebengu eSouth Africa bewuyini icase rape kukhona igebengu eyingaka eqashe ukuthi zivikele izwe ebugebengwini uthi uyalalela kuthiwa uyena lehla amadokhethi uvela uthi God sifike nini lana uthatha umntana wakho umfunda esikoleni ukhokhe 100,000 a year. After that ayivasithi noma kuthiwa uNSFAS awumfundanga lethe you are financially stable unganakho uyifunde ithole degree yayi on it's a PhD it's a degree it's honors it's PhD hlale phansi ngasebenzi wena umzali nami liphinde ithi you know what ma it's fine ngizongena kwi retail just ukubambisa kancane amathu omsebenzi awekho do you know ukuthi road accident fund umuntu osathola imali enkulu bonke abantu la muntu lo uyi-foreigner. He's not a South African. Wathola 500 million. Google it, search it and come and tell me. Sakhipha thina 500 million. Sawunika umuntu oyi-foreigner ngenxa ukuthi road accident fund. U500 million. Ukuba wathola umuntu wakazungu, wakaZomo, wakaHlongo, wakaSwatini, ukuba wathola umuntu e-South African ngabe. Guys, it's time for us as youth endala. If once you are 30 to 35 and you have kids, kunama influencer lana makhona influencer uzoyibona le video ami, please say something, do something, thegana abantu. We need ukuthi sibuyise izwe lethu ngendlela right enokuthula, but it's enough now. We are tired, guys. Mina ke myself, I am tired. Maybe you can see through my eyes, I am tired. Akwazi ukuthi abantu abasebenzayo who've already got millions in their bank accounts ingane zabo ziphila kahle, they will never be poor, they will never experience ukuthi ukuphila under privilege kufila kanjani. They still chowing more money. Kunoko kabasuke emakhaya bemakliniki bemoline abantu kokuhamba eklinik ivulwa ngo8 ahambe ngo4 ntamba amethi afika kuthi medication ayikho akabuye the following day. It's mina ngeke ngithi mina kulungile uma kuumuntu oyi-foreigner ozokuchaphaza vele you're not blood related akakowishi lutho, but bazo umuntu omnyama ozobulala isizwe abantu abamnyama just because yena ne-family yakhe they secure. It's not funny. Game time is over now. No, bafethu akukho right. South Africa ikhona imali kodwa kusiyona yethu imali iphelela la. Akhela nabantu ama-RDP houses please, imali ikhona. Emalokishini ivulana ama-skimming something ukuthi abantu bayakwazi ukulanda izinkwa nokhari labantu abahlala emgwaqeni. Noma kuthiwa ngipheka ubhontshisi nenyama enamathambo kuphela, but every day kube nendawo ukuthi nayi izinkwa abantu befike bezodla. Nakhe nilungise ama-ground ey'ngane awana-netball, volleyball, soccer, etc. Ukuze ingane after school ngikhokhele coach masipala aqashe ucoach wendawo thizeni ingane after school zojima netball, abacula abacule, abadansa abadanse, abenze ukuthi mina ngikhule kwenziwa leyo nto leyo. Please guys, isikhathi if uyazazi ukuthi we youth endala uzoyibona le video, ake send something guys in ukuze sitshengise ukuthi guys isikhathele. Yabona ke manje ngilothu hawu momkhonazi ukhipha ama-file, but kwenzakalani improvement, ubani uboshiwe kwenzakaleni, qhubekela kuyaphi kuphelelaphi, yonke into igcina iphelele la emakhaleni. Ifike izibhomu iphelele la emakhaleni because people they've got money, they get away with everything because bakhokhela bonke abantu. Sale thina singenalutho sihlale kanje nabantwana bethu. Kunabantu aphila ngeqolo till today ukuthi imisebenzi ayikho. Bye.
South Africa mahle ngiyanibingelela futhi emini. Ngibhekise kuma Nigerians. Palm Bridge, Rosettenville, Kensington, Yeoville, Bertrams, Hillbrook, Berea, Sunnyside, Pretoria, Marabastad. Nigerians, pack and go. Pack and go now. Is your last year this in South Africa? You sell drugs, kill our children. I say your day is finished. Pack and go. Fake doctors of Nigerians. Fake pastors of Nigerians. Pack and go. Pack and go. Is your last year this one? Baba Mkhwanazi ngiyakubingelela emini. Uzima kubusise futhi akuphumelelise. Andise neminyaka yakho baba yokuphila. Ma-South Africa mahle umuntu ongaphumelelisa le country kubaleka nama-foreigner. Ayikho. Tamsanya Kumalo. I say Nigerians, pack and go today. You said there's no man in South Africa. Women in South Africa, they are weak. South Africa is a banana country. You lie. Now you're going to see a man of South Africa. Pack and go. Fake pastors. Fake Nigerians. Stop sell drugs here. You kill our children. I repeat. One day, Ian Dag, Poppy Hantans.
You welcome a visitor, you give them food and shelter, and then when they are okay, they start calling you names. Calling you that you are lazy, you are a banana republic. And now when South Africans start forcing the government to enforce the law, they are again calling us names, xenophobic. I don't know what foreigners want from South Africans or from South Africa, because there's nothing that we do and they not call us names. Each and everything that we do, they call us names. We give them food, they call us names. We give them shelter, they call us names. They have our women, they call us names. We enforce the law, they call us names. When the law was not enforced, they were calling us names. They were saying this is a banana republic. But now when we're enforcing the law, they say we are xenophobic, we are abusing them. Then if someone abuses you in their land or abuses you in their house, what do? You leave the house. Why bangahambi? What makes them don't leave if they are abused in South Africa? What makes them don't leave if they are badly treated? Zimbabweans, Nigerians, what do you want from us? What do you want from South Africans? If South Africa is not enforcing the law, you say in your country the law is strict. Now South Africans is making the law strict, and you're the one crying now. Because the immigration law that is in Zimbabwe, Ghana, Nigeria, Malawi, there's no much different from the one in South Africa. Just that South Africans were not enforcing the law because they were thinking that you are brothers. But no, we were mistaken. You are here, you are enemies. You're here to loot, you're here to kill and destroy this country. Because if you love this country, come in this country illegally. Because if you love something, you don't destroy it like you guys do.